Hello everyone, this is Murad Khandekar. I'd like to welcome you all to my online classes, and today I have a very important topic for you. So as you can see, today we are going to discuss and show you how to determine square root by division method. So as you all know, division method, this division method is not exactly what it is. Just directly go to the topic and we will start right now. So first of all, what you do, that is, suppose we have to take a number that is 2304. Okay, so that is the number we are going to do the square root by division method, and we will find out the root of this number. So what we are first going to do, at first task, that is our first task. First we will have to draw horizontal lines. We have to, that is, we have 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. So we have 4 digits here. Okay, so out of these 4 digits we will make 2 pairs. So we will make 2 pairs like this. This is a bit different than normal division, so that is going to be tricky, but I think that is going to be very easy when I am doing this. So first of all, what you do, that is, we take 1 pair here and another pair. So as you can see, we have taken pairs. Now that is our first task we have done. So the next one, we will do something different. That is, we will draw a line just beside 4, and that is a vertical line. Okay, this vertical line we have drawn just beside this number. First we took 2 pairs and we have taken one more, that is a vertical line. So what you do next, you will have to count, start with this part, this pair. Okay, 23. So this 23, we will have to take such a number, we will have to take here such a number that if we square the number, this number is going to be equal or less than 23 or close to 23. Okay, so suppose we take a number 1. Now we are starting from the very beginning to show you 1 is never close to 23. Just we are showing you, if you take 1, what is going to happen? 1 square equal 1. That is not okay, so we are removing it. Now if you take 2 and square it, 2 square equal 4. That is not even closer to 23. Now if you take one more, that is 3, and square it, 3 square equal 9. So that is not even close to 23. Now if you take 4 and square it, 4 square equal 16. So you see, 16 is not that much close. It is close but not that much close. So can we take 4 square here, or can you take 4 here only? Can you take 4? I will show you. But if you take 5 square, 5 here and square it, 5 square equal 25. So that is becoming more than 25 is more than 23. So we cannot take 25 here. Now we will have to take any number that is close to 23 and less than 23 or equal 23. Okay, we cannot take over 23. So that's why we are taking 4 here. So 4, if you take 4 and 4 square equals 16. Now we will not write it here. We will just take the 4 and square it. If you take 4 and 4 square is going to be, and listen, we are going with this pair. Okay, first we are going this pair. So 4 square equal 16. So we have got 16 here. Remember this. Now what you do, that is you will have to draw one more line. Okay, so what you do, you have to deduct it. Deduct 16 from 23. So if you deduct 16 from 23, what we are going to have? We are going to have 7. We are going to have 7. Now what is our next task? Next, what you do, next you have done up to this. Now you draw, you take this pair over here. Okay, you cannot take one number in this square root division method. You will not take single number. Okay, you will take a pair. So we have this pair. So this pair will come here. So this pair is becoming 704. So that is our task we are doing. And next what you do, that is now you have to draw a line like this, that is becoming a division sign here. So what you will do, you took first 4. Now you will take the double of 4 here. Okay, so 4 will be doubled here and it will be 8, because 4 into 2 equal 8. So you have taken 8. Now the trickiest part in it is that when you have taken 4 and you have taken 8, it is never closer to this number. But you have to take such a number, and you will take any number in one's position, in the right position. That is the position you will take number to the right. You will take any number to the right and you will multiply with the same number. Suppose you take here 1, and if you take 1, you will have to multiply it with 1. So if you take 1 is equal 81, that is never close to 704. Now if you take 2, if you take 2, that is going to be 2 2s are 4 and 8 2s are 16. That is not even close. And what number you take, remember this, what number you take here, you will have to multiply with the same number. Okay, so if you take 3, that is not even going to work, I think, because 3 2s are 6 and 3 8s are 24. So that is not going to work. And we are just, sorry, that would be 3 and 3. That would be 3 and 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. That was 249. That is 249. And if you take 4 here, you will have to multiply with 4. So 4 4s are 16. You have 1, and 4 8s are 32 and 1 33. That is not even going to work. And I think if you take more, that is, if you keep taking like this, and if you move to 8, if you move to 8, and you will have to multiply with 8. You see, you have to multiply with 8. So let's see what happens. 8 8s are what? 64. You have taken 4 and you have a 6 here. Okay, so 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 6 is equal 70. Okay, 64 plus 6 equals, so we will take 70. So you can see that is exactly the number here. So listen one thing, we will never multiply here. Okay, we will just take this number, we will multiply and write it here, and we are going to subtract, that is nothing is remaining. So we will take this 8 here. Okay, so 48 is the answer. 48 is the answer. So because we took 8, okay, after 4 we took 8, and this 8 came here and that became 48. Okay, so 48 is the answer of this math. That means if you square root 2304, the answer is 48. Okay, I think that is pretty clear now. Thank you so much. We will conduct one more class on this.